Hi guys! In today's video, I will show you a way that you can generate Bitcoin for completely free and earn up to $5 per single click. No previous experience or knowledge is required for this. Where you live does not matter at all. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. With that said, if this content is something you like and want to see more of, show some appreciation and give this video a thumbs up below. And so you never miss out on any upcoming videos just like this one, make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications by clicking on that bell icon. Now, just before I reveal to you the website in question, I have to emphasize the importance of being patient. When I show you the website, don't click off this video right away. In that case, you will be leaving money that you can make on the table because you won't know exactly what you need to do in order to maximize your profits. So please, be patient and pay attention as I will explain and show you everything you need to know. Anyhow, the website that we'll be talking about today is called btcclicks.com. And the way this site works, you can see on the homepage, basically advertisers pay BTC Clicks to display their ads on here, and people can make money using this site by viewing the said ads. Most of the profit, around 70% or so, goes to the people watching the ads, while the rest is the money that BTC Clicks itself makes. It's a win-win situation. The advertisers get their desired traffic, while the people viewing the ads can make money for absolutely free. It's a very simple yet efficient system. As some of you can already guess, we are not going to be the advertisers, we are not paying this site to display any kind of ads, and so there are two ways for us to make money. The first one is rather obvious, by clicking and viewing ads. The second one, however, is using their affiliate program with a 40 to 80% commission. Now, for those of you who don't know what an affiliate program is, basically you get people to sign up to this website, and by doing so, you'll get paid. And as you can see, they have very high commissions, which is fantastic to say the least. With that said, as far as withdrawing your money, you don't need to make an insane amount in order to be able to withdraw it. In fact, it's around $5 or so, which is an amount you will easily reach. Now, once you fully understand the process and how all this works, your next step is to either click on Start Earning Today right here, or hover your mouse over Login Sign Up right here and click on Earner Sign Up. Either way, you will be brought over to this page here, where you will have to enter in your basic information, your email address and password. You will then complete the CAPTCHA and click on Sign Up. To finish the process, what you will now need to do is verify that the email you entered actually belongs to you, and to do that, you will go over to your Gmail account and find a message from BTC Clicks that looks like this. You just have to click on Verify and that's it. I'll now log into my own account, guys, so I can show you what you need to do to start making money. Okay, so I've just logged into my account, and this is what you'll see as well, guys. This is the dashboard. Here you'll be able to see how much money you've made, how much money you've withdrawn, how many ads you've clicked on, and so on. And to start making money by viewing ads, you want to click on the Surf Ads section right here. And this is where you will be clicking on ads to make money, guys. The way this works is you click on any one of these, you view them for the set amount of time, which can vary from a minute or more to less than that, and you get paid. Now, right off the bat, the money that you can make is not an insane amount, but it's free money. It's easily made without too much effort, and combining this with their referral program can make you some decent income in the long run. Now, what's important to mention here as well is that you will run out of these after a time, but they will reappear after like 15 minutes, so the amount of ads you can view is essentially infinite. You never run out of them. Now, before we move on to what traffic source you'll use to refer people to here, I want to really quick mention the premium membership, which I think is worth taking after some time. To pay for it, you just want to click right here. Now, why is it worth taking? Well, first off, because you aren't giving any money up front. As you can see, you just take the money that you make from this website and invest it into the said membership. The reason you might want the membership, guys, is because it's profitable. As simple as that. You invest some money, yes, but you also double the money that you make from both viewing the ads and referring people to here, which is precisely what it says right here. And so this can be a great way to increase your profit if you have a decent amount of spare time to invest into this website and make some money. With that out of the way, guys, let's move on to what you want to do in order to make money by referring people. To get the referral link, you just have to click on Referral Affiliate Tools right up here, and your affiliate link will be located below, which you will want to copy. And now that you have your link, let's go to the actual traffic sources. There are 2 traffic sources that you'll want to use. The first is Facebook. The reason Facebook is so good to use is because it has thousands of make money online groups that you can find, and every single person in those groups is interested in making money online. And so when you present them with a website where they can do that for free, chances are they will be willing to give it a try. This is why they can be an excellent place to promote BTC clicks and make money in passive income. Mind you, these groups can have thousands of members, and you just need hundreds to click on your link for you to make some really decent money. Moreover, you don't want to search just make money online groups. Since you do get paid in cryptocurrency, various cryptocurrency-related groups are a fantastic way to find people who are interested in cryptocurrency, and it's basically a win-win situation, guys. You get paid for referring them to the site, while they can make some free money from it. Anyhow, the second traffic source, guys, is, believe it or not, YouTube. Now, keep watching. This isn't what you might think it is. You won't have to create any videos. What you want to do on YouTube is search for Bitcoin or something like that. And then you want to click on Filters, and from there, on Creative Commons. This will allow you to download and re-upload these videos without getting taken down for copyright. You won't get monetized as a result, but you don't need to. Remember, your goal is to get people to click on your referral link. And since Bitcoin is searched for a lot nowadays on YouTube, thousands of people will be able to see your video and click on that same referral link in your description and make you a lot of money in pure passive income. And with that, this is where I'll end today's video. If you enjoyed it, once more, don't forget to leave a like below. It's highly appreciated. And so you don't miss out on future videos relating to cryptocurrency, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you soon in some of the upcoming videos.
Do, 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 do.